CopGain is famous for their epic laptop screen extensions, and now they came out with something new. This is the H3, a multi-purpose macro display. It is a multi-hub that you can use to declutter your desktop setup. It is also a gorgeous versatile display. Well, it's a touch screen that you can use to trigger various macros. So this is of course also a great stream deck, and thanks to the exceptional build quality, you can also bring this with you anywhere you go without any issues. Fully mobile, quite versatile, so this definitely deserves a detailed review. Let's go. New drip. Got the new drip from CopGain, the H3 macro keyboard. By the way, if you're interested already, then check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. And now let's check it out. So check it out, here we have the box. It's of course the H3, and on the bottom we have all these specs and features. Pretty dope stuff right there. Oh, there it is. Oh, that is looking beautiful. All right, so we will get this cable right here. And since this is a pre-release model right here, we will only get, well, we won't have the manual, but just this nice looking USB-C cable right here. One end is angled, the other one is straight. Done with the unboxing. Let's get to my first impressions and then of course to a close overview. Look at this beauty. So let's remove this. That is so dope. And the build quality is so nice, metal all around. It's just awesome. And all the ports, it's such a cool concept. So let's take a close look. So on the front, we of course have the touch screen. Then right here we have slots for cards. It's also a card reader, I love it. Then on this side we have Ethernet and also this button right here. Then on this side we have USB and HDMI. And lastly we have USB-C. And right here on the back we can do this. Well, first of all we have 4 nice rubber feet if you want to place it like that. And as you can see, it's super stable. This won't go anywhere, but you can also do this right here. We also have this smaller one, so we could do it like so or like so. You get the point. Or we can also do it like that. So yeah, great for different mounting options. And not to forget, from this side you can see the nice shape, all these nice chamfers. It's looking pretty dope. Not bad, right? So let's finally test it. So here we go. As you can see, it's plugged in on the lower USB-C port right here. And without the software, it will look like this. And with the software right here, you can download it for free on their website, of course. You can drag and drop features and they will pop up right here. And then you can, of course, tap them. And when you swipe, you can switch to the logo and also to a screensaver. Pretty dope. So first of all, let's check out the app. So here we go, let's open it up, and we left on the screensaver. When you swipe on a device, then it will also switch on the software, which is pretty nice. So actually the logo is the static screensaver, and then we can also set up a GIF. But let's of course start with the actual Stream Deck setting. So right here we have some sort of an app store. We can discover features. We have different plugins. Oh, that is awesome. Check this out. Wow, that's quite a lot. Gaming, engagement, finance even. No way, that is amazing. Let's try that. Bitcoin ticker. And we also have icons right here. Wow, there is way more to this than expected. This is awesome. Okay, back to the Stream Deck. Now we have, it's under here, under custom Bitcoin ticker. Let's add it. And this is how it will work. You can even set the currency. That is awesome. Look at that. And this will of course be displayed on the tile. Okay, let's delete that again. Let's move on with the settings. So we have the general tab. Here we can also set a auto screen off, update the software. We have scenes, pretty nice. And we have the device address. Then here we have the scenes right here. We can also add one just like that. So that's the default scene, hotkey, website. And for the scene 1, hotkey, website. So you can switch between the layout's extremely fast. It's called scenes. Then we can select the device down here. This of course is the field for all the icons. And when you tap on one icon, you have the configuration menu down here, escape, and then set the escape. And when you tap it, then you will hit the escape button on the keyboard, of course. Super simple and kind of useless, but just for demonstrating. And we can also set a Google, for example. google.com. So let's try, let's hit it, and there we go. Super fast as well. And then all the way right here on the right side, we have all the default macros basically. So we have the stream dock, we can create a folder. So we can actually enter this folder. That's funny. We can enter it on the stream deck. Okay, we have the toolbox, then we have the audio player. That's actually convenient. Then we have an action flow, that's more complex, I guess. And then we have OBS settings, record stream, virtual camera, all that good stuff. And we also have all the custom plugins, which is amazing. You saw the library, and it's actually amazing. You even have advanced commands for many programs, as you can see. Amazing. And again, switching between scenes is super simple and fast. And we can easily edit the screensaver as well. Key mode, GIF mode, we can also switch here. Let's add this. Oh, you can open up a document. So we have this, so let's tap it. Oh, nice. It's so fast. It's crazy. So let's see what we got. So we can switch between the different modes very fast, and to demonstrate, this is how fast it is. And this is what we got so far. So the play and the stop button, we have the Google, and it's extremely fast. And we also have the escape button, which is useless. And we also have the open this document. Boom. It's so fast, it's incredible. So this is a great working Stream Deck. And moreover, it is also a hub. And by the way, this foot is amazing. You can also put it like this so that you can use it as a card reader. We also have Ethernet and the screen lock button right here. Up here we have HDMI and USB and another USB-C port right here. So I could potentially use all of my gear right here, plug it in here. The H3 would be a no-brainer if you don't have a USB hub. If you don't have one, you only need this one. Mouse, keyboard, perfect for 2 USBs, separate display. So lastly, let's check out the hub functionalities with this USB stick. 128 gigabytes, SanDisk. And in we go. And there we have it. And again, it's super fast, so let's plug it in. And there it is. So yeah, clear 10 out of 10, big thumbs up from my side. It's looking amazing and it's responding extremely fast and it's super versatile. I like it. So as you saw, it looks amazing. The build quality is top notch. Great materials, mostly metal. It is really well made, so dropping it into your gear bag is no issue. This will hold up without any problems at all. But as you saw, I have fixed it in a permanent fashion, for which it will also work great. Of course, bonus points for hooking it up to the KVM switch so that I can use it for both PCs. Great software, great usability. I'm already using macros a lot, but on my keyboard I only have 5 dedicated buttons. So this thing opens up way more possibilities. Definitely a great efficiency hack for every setup, because with a nice macros you will just get way faster in literally whatever you're doing. I can highly recommend something like it. I can highly recommend macros. Macros are amazing. And again, this is also a hub with tons of I/O ports. It's a card reader as well. So this will also expand your gear options. So all in all, the H3 is super versatile. And especially if you're not already spec'd out with a USB hub and all of that good stuff, then just this one device right here will take your whole setup to a whole other level. Again, it's an amazing productivity life hack, and I would especially recommend it if you're into streaming. This is definitely a must-have, and I can again highly recommend it. Definitely trippy. Check out the product links in the description. I will list and link the best deals for you. But before you go, smash that like button, then subscribe, ring the bell and click all to never miss amazing tech magnet videos. That's it for this one. Enjoy it, and I will see you soon.